Hey everyone, this is Osamu Wakabayashi from Z Ideas. Now recently, Crocoblock released two videos about how to speed up the WordPress website and speed up a site created with Jet plugins. Both are my videos. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that if you're working on dynamic website with Crocoblock plugins, don't use shared host. So you have to be really careful which hosting service you pick. So let me just go through what I used for my volunteer management system. So this is kind of quick overview of my volunteer management system. I use Crocoblock plugins to create this website. It's really kind of complicated website. So as you can see, I got the MemberPress for membership functionality, and WooCommerce because my clients are selling events, and I got the Woo events and yeah, like lots of plugins. And now we have over, I think we have over like 15,000 users, and we have about 1,000 volunteer opportunity posting. So this slide is a bit old. And we have 3 CPT and CCT and 66 meta field, and also I have 16 smart filter. And also this is bilingual website, and I got the 7 jet engine form. So like you can see my case study video. I can put the link here if you have time. But as you can see, this is not simple website, and I have still great result based on speed of performance. And by the way, I use Elementor for this website too. Yeah, so I can share my screenshot here. So now I have 3 servers here, and as you can see, this Volunteer Ottawa, so that's a volunteer management website. And we purchased the just specific dedicated server for this project. As you can see, I got only 3 applications, which is 3 installations. One is live public website, and the other one is staging website, and one is just small microsite I'm hosting. Yeah, so I can share this with you. So we got the 2 gigabytes RAM, and then it's not like huge, and then only 50 gigabyte disk space, and then so I got still lots of only using half, as a matter of fact. And then CPU usage, I think this is, I'm shooting this video during the holiday time, so there's not much things going on. So, it's only 20% of the CPU usage right now because it's a holiday today. And then sort of RAM usage, same things, it's about only half. All right, so let's take a quick look at the pricing. So we are not really asking for a lot of money here. So by the way, I'm not really sponsoring Cloudways. So this is like my company has been using, and we're just quite happy with it. And we're using DigitalOcean. I think that's the most inexpensive option. If you go to Amazon, AWS, prices gets higher with the same spec. And I think this is the same thing. So the DigitalOcean is the most price-effective package. And here is the 2 gigabytes and the 50 gigabytes, 2 terabytes bandwidth. It's $28 per month US. Okay, so this is what I have, and I'm still running great. So check out your server too. And if you are not really happy about the performance, yeah, just don't use hosting shared server. Check out something like Cloudways, and then BPS, that's the virtual private server. So yeah, like this is something I forgot to mention that when I was shooting a speed performance video for Crocoblock. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.